Hi ladies and gents, welcome back to Miss Raga's Art Room. So let's say we've completed our origami box here and we want to add some beautiful decoration to it. We can make these gorgeous little paper bows. These little paper bows make really cute hanging ornaments. They're like fun to stick on things. And in this case, they can be a beautiful addition. I can give you a glue dot to add it to the top of our origami paper boxes we just made. Yay. Okay, something cute, something simple. So how do we make this paper bow? Let's get started. First, you're gonna need a sheet of origami paper. Can be any color you want, okay? Now, in this case, we're gonna actually start with the reverse. Instead of starting it with the side we want up, down, we're gonna reverse that. We're gonna start with the side we want up. Begins with two very simple folds. Okay, so your color that you want to be the color of the bow should be facing right side up. So first we're gonna start with a crease. Fold that paper in half. Okay, nice crease line. Rotate your paper, do that same thing again. Fold from the bottom up. Remember, do your nice, solid creases. You can also use the back of your thumbnail. That works really well. Okay, time to flip the paper over. Flip the paper over. So now it's showing whatever you don't want to be the outside facing up. So in this case, it's not my pretty pink, it's now the blank white of the paper. Rotate it so it's in a diamond shape. Bottom point to top point. Let's fold that paper in half again. Again, you could use your thumbnail too, right? Make nice tight creases. Open it up, rotate, bottom point to top point. Create that little pop in the paper. Voila. Okay. Now, ladies and gents, holding our little star, I want you to take your hands underneath it, right? You can kind of see that we've got this diamond or star shape. I want you to pop the center up. Do you see how I did that? So right now, our paper kind of looks like this. So if you take your fingers, push on that center point, pop it up, okay? I want you to now grab this part of the diamond. See that diamond there? See that crease? Push that crease in, push this crease in on the side, and it'll collapse down into this diamond shape. So one more time. As I open it up, reach underneath the origami, push the center up, take these two creases, push them in, and then you have your little paper diamond. Okay, let's continue folding. I want you to now take your diamond, the closed end of it. Do you see you have an end that's opened? You've got a closed end of it. Closed end facing up. Take that closed end, and I want you to fold down about a thumb, a little bit more than a thumbnail. Okay, down, and give it a good tight crease, like so. Now open your origami up, and I want you to take your thumb and your pointer finger, and I want you to press on the creases of that little square shape. So you're gonna press on the creases, like so. Press those creases, nice and tight. You gotta kind of hold the origami paper up, like so, so we see that square. Now what I want you to do is stand the sides of your origami up so that you have the flat square facing the top. All right, now you're gonna press that square in towards the center, and you're gonna gently start pushing in on the diamond shape until all the sides come together. So one more time, let me open that up. So you're starting with this square, right? You're gonna press down in the center. You're gonna kind of gently push the sides in, and it's gonna collapse. Okay, now what I'd like you to do is fold the diamond flat, and now you have a flat diamond with this squared off top and these open ends. Now we're gonna make the folds that actually start to look like the bow. Okay, so I want you to rotate your diamond, okay, so that the flat is facing either side. Doesn't matter left or right. Pull up one of the diamond's wings. You're going to take this corner here. Can everybody see that little corner? And we're going to fold this top edge so that it goes along our center crease, like so, and fold down. Okay. Same thing, we're going to grab this top corner. We're going to fold this top edge down along this center crease. Use your thumbnail, right? Little piece of wood back of your pen to get those nice tight creases. Okay, flip your origami over. We're going to do the exact same thing. So grab this outer corner, straight side, fold it in, and crease. Same thing, top corner, folding this side, in and down towards that center crease, or alongside that center crease. Really good tight folding. All right, now here's the magic where the bow is going to appear. You're going to take this top section and the bottom section. You're going to hold them down, and you're going to fold open your origami. And check it out, those folds created this cute little square, this cute little button in the center. Okay? Now, I'm going to pause here because if you've made it this far in the origami, you need to grab some scissors from the supply table. Okay? So let's get some scissors and join us back here for some more folding. Well, hey, ladies and gents, I've got my scissors. Yay. So we're ready to continue going. Now, technically, at this point, we still have origami. The moment I make a cut, I no longer have origami. I have something a little bit different, which is called kirigami, which basically means origami with a cut in it, okay? So here's what we're going to do. Flip your origami over, and let's transform it into some kirigami. What you're going to do is, do you see these little ridges, these little mountains that create the fold of our bow here in the center? See those little ridges? Okay, we're gonna cut right down the center of those little ridges. And again, if you're unsure, bring it right up to me, I'll help you. See that ridge? Gonna cut right down the center, but we stop before it gets to right that center part of where that bow center, that little button, that little square button is created. Okay, and you're gonna do this on all four of those little folds. And at this point, you're gonna really see the bow up here. Okay, now check it out. I have these little tail pieces, and you can really see the bow starting to appear in the center. All right, let's flip it back over. Okay, you can see here's the bow face. Here are my tail pieces. All right, let's make the bow happen. I'm gonna take my outer corners here from the bottom, and I am going to fold, come on, up and in, so that this edge goes along my center crease here. And this is not on the tail, but on the bow section. Okay, good tight crease. Same thing on the opposite side. I'm grabbing this bottom corner, I'm folding it up, so it goes along the center crease. Crease, crease, crease. Crease, crease, crease. Let's do the same top down to my center. Crease. Top down to my center. Crease. Okay, now flip your bow over. And you're going to take the points. Ooh, I got a little off on that fold. It'll still work out though. You're going to fold those points in under the edge of that bow center right there. See that little edge there? Take the outer point, fold it under, and then paper stuck out there. There we go. And then crease down the edge of the bow. Same thing, grab your outer point, fold under the edge of that bow center, and then crease. Oh, check it out, we have a little bow. Actually, that little stripe looks kind of cool. I'll go with it. All right, now it's time to finish off our ends. So we've got one more cut to make. Ladies and gents, hold your tail pieces together. Do you see this crease right along the center? Grab your scissors. You're gonna cut straight down that center crease. So now we have these two little tails. Flip your origami back over. Holding both pieces of paper together, grab this outer corner, fold in and down, and then crease so that there's a straight line from this corner to this point at the center of the bow. Do the same on the opposite. Grab both pieces together. Grab this outer corner, fold in so that it lines up, and crease with this outer point of the center of the bow. And then finally, grab this long edge together, fold diagonally in so that the diagonal lines up with the outside corner of the tail. And then crease down. Use your thumbnail, use your pen. People who fold a lot have bone folders, right? Have paper folders that are easier to use. But you can use anything you want. My goodness, you can even use the handle of the scissor. So same thing again, I'm taking this long edge, fold it over in a diagonal so the diagonal lines up with this outer corner. And it's a little tricky, you gotta kind of like hold the papers together and then get it to go. Beautiful. Once you have that done, flip it on over and check it out. There's a beautiful bow to go on top of any of your boxes that you have made. All right. So ladies and gents, thank you for joining me in Miss Raga's art room. I'm glad we could do some folding today together, and look forward to doing some folding again with you. All right, take care. Bye-bye.